So I mean, that's pretty bright. I mean, look at my animal. I can see him. Okay guys, so we got another unboxing for you. Went on eBay and started, well, long story short, I'm a fat ass, so I started riding my bike to get a little fit, and I'm used to certain creature comforts. So I was looking for a light and something to hold the phone, and I came across this, which is the bicycle horn lamp thing, but it's a light, a phone holder. It's got a little, like, I don't know, what is it? Can't remember how many decibel horn. And then, yeah, so I seen it in my feed, and I think they wanted, I don't know, it was some ridiculous price that I wasn't gonna pay. So I looked around on eBay and I found it on there. It's like a China seller. So I ended up ordering it. It took like 2 or 3 weeks, but I mean, I think I only paid like how much did I pay? Maybe 20 or 30 bucks. So I could deal with that instead of like whatever the ad was going for. I think they wanted like twice that amount. And I know a lot of people are like trying to find deals like I do. So yeah, I can deal with the weight. But here we go. So you've got your handlebar mount with adjustment, and then, you know, the rubber to kind of keep it snug. You've got a USB cable to charge it, because it's also to charge the battery for the, battery for the light, and it has the option to charge a phone as well. So here's the phone mount, and then here's the wire for the horn. And right here is the USB to charge it, and it's pretty nice. It seems like it'll be waterproof since this kind of sits in there pretty well. And you've got 2 lights, if this thing will focus. You've got 2 lights. You can have them both on, or you can have one single one on, or you can have it strobe, which I will show you outside after we do this little unboxing thing. But I mean, I guess I can hit the horn now. It'll probably be like stupid loud, but who cares? Yeah, okay, that's loud. And then the light, that's a little bit dimmer. And then the strobe. And the phone thing. But you probably want to see a phone in there, and conveniently I left my phone on. So we got I got an iPhone Max in a case, well, in a slim case, as you can see. And what you gotta do, if I read the measurements correctly, this will fit. Okay, cool, it does. Alright, so yeah, it sits in there. Shaking the fuck out of it. It's not going anywhere. Yeah, I trust that. Okay. So, yeah, well, there's dick butt, but anyways. So, yeah. Let me see how much I actually paid for this real quick, so I can not just give you guys guesstimations of the product itself. What do we have going on here? I paid $20.23 shipped for this. And I bought it August 25th. It came in, how long ago did this thing come in? Came in last week. What day was that? Let me see. Came in last week, probably the 12th or 13th, so yeah, just about 3 weeks. I mean, it was literally coming from China, so I can't really complain. But so you got your handlebar mount here, and it's got a little slot, and then as you can see, there's a corresponding slot there. So just slide it in, locks into place, and then you got this little tab, so if you are out and about somewhere, like say you stop at a coffee shop or whatever, I don't know what your thing is, but if you stop anywhere and you think somebody's gonna take it, you know, just pull the tab, take it off, put it in your bag, and you won't have to worry about it. And then same thing with the horn. It's got a little rubber strap that you just wrap around the handlebars, and you got your little button there so you can beep beep people. I mean, real riders are probably gonna make fun of me, but I like to actually have my phone there because I listen to music, or if I'm out in a place I don't really know where I'm at, well, know the area too well, I like having my phone right in front of me on the handlebars so I can like type in like Waze or whatever and just let it tell me where to go. But yeah, figured I'd just give you a little quick thing on that. And also they do have a couple different color options. I got red. It also has black, orange, and blue, and then you've got a smaller 2000 milliamp charging battery, but I went with the big one just because the price difference, it was only a couple bucks price difference, and I mean, you're only spending like $20 already, so why not get the bigger one, you know? But yeah, according to the picture, I mean, look, your phone fits. Look at that guy. I mean, he's using a powerful light. He's obviously not gonna get lost, so why not? Why not get this? And if you are actually interested in the product, I'm gonna go throw a link down in the description, so if you do want to check it out, feel free to check it out. You've probably seen this particular product. I know it's popped up on both of my social medias, actually, on my Facebook and my Instagram. And I think they want like $60, $70 for that. And it's ridiculous because it's literally the same thing that they're showing in there. And I got it for 20. So if you can wait like 3 weeks, wait, save yourself the money, because I'm almost positive this is the same exact box you're gonna get. Oops. This is probably the same box you're gonna get if you order it off one of those Facebook ads. So you probably want to see how all this works out. So we'll switch to that video that I'll take outside, showing you like how bright the light is and the horn and all that. Alrighty? Let's go. Alright, so it's nighttime now, and we're gonna do a little video of how this light works out. So that is the eBay light, and that's both of the LEDs on right now. Then that's one LED on right now, and then you got a strobe effect. But I mean, the camera doesn't really give this light justice. Like, I'm probably about probably about 10 feet away from the front of this Avalanche, from the front of my truck, and I'm standing in the middle of the road, and it pretty much, like, the main focus is that center where you see the hot spot in the camera, but it reaches out to almost like side to side, from the side of the truck to the curve over here, like keeping the light in the middle. So I mean, that's pretty bright. I mean, look at my animal. I can see him. Even the single beam's not too hateful. That strobe is ridiculous. And I'm pretty sure you guys want to hear the horn. Let's see if I can get to the button. Beep, beep, beep. He's geeking out. But yeah, that's the horn. I mean, it's pretty nifty. I kind of like it.